Today I wanted to show you guys a new drill. I picked up a new drill. I went to Lowe's and they got some really good sales going on for the 4th. So I went ahead and picked the drill up now. This is this is two of the old drills. Actually, I've been using for quite a few years. Makita's here, and they've been really good drills, and it was just time to go ahead and update. You know, I'm one that uses my tools as much as I can. I pretty much wear them out. Then just don't keep buying them unless I'm using them. But they've been really good drills. Now, some of the things about the drills, like these ones here, you know, I've replaced these batteries. You can buy these batteries. I bought these off the line. The original batteries went bad. I couldn't get them to charge anymore. And I think within maybe 2 years after owning it, it went bad. So I went ahead and replaced them. And I bought these offline, really cheap. And they last quite a few years. Actually, I think they last longer than the new ones, the original ones that went with the drill. So it's time to go ahead and retire these. And well, I'll go ahead and use it until its last day. And then after I don't have to worry about it, I'll just go ahead and pitch it. But that's why we have bought the new ones. These are Dewalts, and I wanted to show you guys that it's really neat. Let me get a little bit closer for you so I can show it to you. Okay, here's Dewalt. You know, I've had some Dewalt before. This is not the only tool. I actually have a circular saw. I have a saw saw. I used to have a cord drill. I think I might have been about it. But I've had Dewalt, and I've had them for years. They last. They're really good tools. Now, Dewalt, just like the rest of the tools that's kind of out there now, that you know, when they first came out, they wasn't a really good tool, and then over the years of improving their tools by people using them, you know, made a lot better quality of a tool. So, and what I get in this one here is pretty neat because it came with both drills. It came with a you can see a hammer drill here, and then also just came with the regular half-inch drill here. Let's see, it also comes with a bag, 2 batteries, and a charger. Let's check this thing out. Now, of course, I've already had it open. This is like a kid in a candy store. You gotta, you know, when a guy picks up a tool, he's gotta have it. He's gotta have it. You know what I mean? He's gotta open it up, check it out. And of course, this is the. If you want to look at the model for this one here, the model is right here on the box. You can see it's a DCK 277C2. This one here, originally I think it was like 250. I think they had them on sale at that time for $179. They dropped them down to like $150. Now, I'm not advertising for these guys, but I'm just telling you right now they got a really good deal going out on them. And it's the best time to buy them is during holidays like this. So here we go. We got a really nice pack. Check this thing out. I mean, this thing is awesome, man. I mean, I really like this case it comes into. I can keep my drill in there. Maybe throw in a ruler, maybe some pencils, some things, different things like that. It's heavy. It's got its logo and everything on it. It's got some pockets here and there. A couple real nice straps. And then you come down here. It's got a really nice little zipper on it. You know what I mean? It's I think it's just. It feels like it's metal in there. Okay, open this baby up. Now, of course, everybody knows you got the manuals, and if you want to read them, I'm for sure they're in a couple different languages. It's not like you're not going to be able to read it, whoever. And then, of course, you get the charger. Now, what I was looking at the charger on this thing, I thought it was really cool. It also does a 12 volt. It'll charge a 12 volt to 20 volt. This is the 20 volt, is what we're going to be looking at today. Really nice charger. They have designed them. They changed them from the older drills. But of course, there's probably a couple of charging lights right there. And then, of course, it's going to show you if the battery's bad, if the battery's charging, or the battery's fully charged. It'll show you right here, little print they give you in here. So it's really nice. Okay, let's set this over here. And then here we go. We got a battery. Awesome. Check out these batteries. Now, if you look at some of the older ones, like these ones, I mean, look how big and heavy this thing is. This battery is compared to some of the new batteries they have. Of course, you can buy these batteries that they'll hold more charge. If you want to go back and buy another battery, look for them that actually would hold more charge, a bigger battery. But look at the difference in, I mean, this thing is at least 15 years old. A big old bulky battery and everything, you know, and but it served its purpose. And then they turn around and change them like this. That's awesome, man. It's just a small, light, small battery. Now, some of the batteries, I know, like I have a Craftsman here somewhere, and it actually has a little, like a little button in the back of it you can push in to tell you what charge it has, if it's half charge or whatever, and a little light comes on. But they kind of look like all the same shape of a battery. Okay, see what else we got. Okay, here we go. The second battery. I'll go ahead and get it out of plastic because, you know, I'm going to probably be using these things today. I've got some things I got to get done. Here's your second battery. It's pretty neat. And then, okay, here we go. Look at this. Now, I'm going to show you the difference in maybe the size of the drills, too. Because here's the Dewalt, and of course, you know, they've shrunk them down a little bit to actually make them smaller than this here. This chuck's a little bit big right here compared to what some of the other ones. Now, this is a brushless. I never used a brushless before. They say it's supposed to have more power, like 30% or something more power. I don't know. Like I said, I've never had them before, so we're going to find out for sure. Locks in nice. Got a little button on the back here. You can pull back off. Just, you know, press in the button, will clip here. Really neat. It also has a little work light. I thought, you know, well, actually my older ones had work lights, so they'd been there for a long time. A 2-speed up here, so you got 2 different speeds. Reverse, forward button, trigger. You know, pretty neat. If anybody's worked with drills, you pretty much know. You know, the only thing I didn't see I get was a clip, like a belt clip. And if you look at like this in here, it came with a belt clip. I think both of the drills came with a belt clip, but this one here, I probably had it on there and maybe lost the other one. But you can see the difference in the drill. Now this is a 20 volt here, and then you got a 14 volt here. And I mean, just look at the difference in the drills. Even though they make really good drills. I loved it. This one here it's a hammer drill is what it is. This is a hammer drill. Now, so but this one here actually had you know, a little bit different adjustments on here, on the top here. So actually you would use it for a kind of a hammer drill. They do make another one. They make a hammer drill in the Dewalt. It's a little bit more expensive. Well, a lot more expensive because Dewalt's kind of pricey, but good, nice little drill. But this one here is just not. See how brushes and stuff. There's something inside it's bad. I think the brushes are bad, and that's a fully charged battery. So that's basically replacing it. But heck, you can see the difference in the size. I mean, that's a big difference in the size. You know. Okay, let's get the last piece here out. I'm gonna set this off to the side here, and this is. I love using these kind of drills. This one here, especially if you're going to put screws in like a deck or anything like that, man, you're talking just an awesome tool. An awesome tool. Now, this is the old one. Like I said, look how big the batteries are. Really good drill. I've had this for, like I said, quite a few years, like the other one, both because they came together. I really beat the crap out of it. But, you know, you got a sweet deal on this one here compared to what I paid for that. Even 15 years ago, I'm for sure I paid a lot more for this one here. But just awesome little tool. It's got even got a little work light on this one too. A little release chuck right here, so you can put the screwdriver bits. I don't know if I got something laying here. Oh, here's that. Let me go ahead and just throw in another drill while I'm showing drills off. And this one here is made by Craftsman. I'm for sure it's made by Craftsman or whoever makes Craftsman, but it's a pretty nice drill. But you can see, look here, I'll show you the batteries. I mean, how they're making batteries now. You know what I'm saying? But on the back of the Craftsman, of course, you know, Dewalt's a good drill, so I think Craftsman's are too. But on the back of it, see, it has a little test thing on the back of it here, where you can test it to see how charged the battery is. I thought that was pretty cool. And I picked this one here up just to have an extra drill around the house. I think this one here wasn't, it was probably around 50, maybe 60 bucks or something like that. It came with only one battery, but handy little drill for what I pay for it. I'll get my wear out of it for sure. It also has, you know, the big, you can tell the big size. I mean, there's a great big difference in size. It's got 2-speed on it, just like this one does have. But this one here, it's got brushes in it, and this one here is brushless. It's something new for me to try, so I'm going to give it a shot and see how long it's going to last me. I'm hoping it's going to last me quite a few years. And this one here, I just kind of keep it around the shop, and I don't let it get out. This one here, I'll be taking this in places like I did the other ones. But you can see let me go ahead and put the battery back on this one real quick, and see if I can get them all in a picture there. You can see this is Craftsman, and then the Makita here. These are, like I said, they've been really good drills over the years, and if you take care of them, they'll last longer. So, okay, there you go. Maybe what you want to call it, an unboxing of the Dewalt. Actually, they call it, what do they want to call it? The Dewalt brushless drill. It came with 2 of them, and like I said, they're on sale now. You know, if you're looking for a nice little drill, a little set, inexpensive. For what I paid for it, I thought it was a really good deal. Just go ahead and check it out. So, okay, thanks for watching.